This is lemongrass. I'm making a lemongrass and red onion vinaigrette for the beet salad. Lemongrass and beets are fantastic. The stalk is very hard, so all you do is you just trim the bottom and you take off a layer, kind of like peeling an onion. And then when you get it down, I don't know why there's a rubber band on this thing, you're just going to chop it really fine, okay? It's going to take a little bit more strength, so be careful because this is it's a really hard stalk. Lemongrass is very aromatic, so don't go too crazy, okay, with it. For the lemongrass and red onion vinaigrette, I'm going to saute the lemongrass and red onions first. I got a high heat spatula, okay? Whenever you're sauteing, always keep the sides clean or the food will burn. Now I'm going to leave these vegetables here a little bit al dente because I want that. All I want to do is cook it a little bit just to get the raw flavor out and let that perfume of the lemongrass out. Okay, that's done. That's how I want it. So here I have it's basically a red wine vinegar, olive oil, and just a sauteed onion and lemongrass. Set that aside. So now I have beets. These were cooked. They're chilled now. They were cooked yesterday, and I just simmered them in water. That's it. Now to peel them, you just take a towel. And see that? It peels right off. Okay, now I peeled all the beets. All I'm going to do is cut them, okay? Okay, I cut all the beets, so we're going to season them. A little salt, a little pepper. And whenever you're seasoning, always grind the herbs or spices fresh whenever possible. It's much better. Now I've got my vinaigrette here. It's a red wine vinaigrette with lemongrass and red onion. And I can always add more if I need, so I'm going to mix it just very gently to make sure everything is coated. I don't want to damage the beets either. And remember, when you mix stuff, don't just dig in there with tongs. Get a nice spoon and guide with your hand, or you can use 2 spoons if you don't want your hand dirty. This is how we do it in professional kitchens. Treat the food with respect. Now, to get the pit out of an avocado, just do that and twist it. Now, you can use fresh avocado for this or guacamole, whatever you want. But whenever you do this, if you're going to use fresh, do it at the last minute, okay? So you can plate up your beet salad, have it ready to go, cover it in the fridge, take it out about 30 minutes before you serve it. And then right before you serve and everybody sits down, garnish the salad with avocado if you're going to do it fresh. One note on salads. The colder something is, the more it masks the flavor. Okay, so if you do beet salad, potato salad, whatever kind of salad, pasta salad, anything, take it out of the refrigerator for about 30 minutes before you want to serve it. Okay, very important. There. So I've got everything ready now. Beets are done, the avocado, orange is ready. So I'm going to plate it. I don't like to mess with it too much. I like it to look natural because some people, they just handle it too much. I'll garnish it with some orange segments if I can get it out of there. Also, another thing, you don't want to add the oranges till the last minute because then the beets will start to bleed into them and you want that nice color. And no, I didn't wash my hands in case you're wondering. So for the avocado, I'm just going to do, random kind of shapes. Those beets are beautiful, so I don't want to cover them up too much. So there. Beet salad with red onion and lemongrass and red wine vinaigrette, oranges, avocado. Bob's your uncle. Bam.